What's this called? The Honghoo 4K Bodycam. There it is. Should do a quick review on this one. 128 gigabyte. It comes with a card. There's the front of the box. Upside down. There's the front of the box. I was looking at it before. I was gonna use it today, do deliveries, because I like this thing. I like the interface, definitely, but we'll see what the camera quality looks like, if it's real 4K, fake 4K, probably is. Thing was like, I don't know. How much was it? 60, 70 bucks. Under 100 bucks. Anyhow, what comes in the box? The first thing you see is the reset tool, and there's a cleaning cloth. The reset tool you stick into the hole that to reset the device if it starts acting up. So there's a cleaning cloth too. Instruction manual. Hopefully it's in English. Yeah, it is. Okay, so there's the Chinese part. English is in front. You read through that. So the camera, it's packaged up nicely. It's got this foam. It's not gonna get thrown around in the box or anything. It's pretty safe. It's got 180 degree rotatable lens. You know, the usual. I like this interface because it doesn't have those stupid buttons on the side that you're gonna get confused with. Everything is right here, up, down, okay to select, and this is the back button and the I'm not sure what this is. I'll find out in a minute. But it could be the review button to review your files, playback files. Anyhow, let's see what the hell else is in here. You just strap it to your bicycle handlebars. What else is in here? Cheap SD card reader. It comes with an SD card, but I'm not going to use it, because if they fail, the device is going to not work anymore. This is the USB Type-C cable. I've got tons of those, so there's nothing else in there. Yeah, it's nice that they include that, along with the other 25 million USB Type-C cables that I have for every other device that I have. There's your the clip, USB-C, a reset button. You can just, what does it say? Rest. It's supposed to say reset, not rest. Interesting. It says rest. It's supposed to say reset. Interesting. Anyhow, looks like a lanyard, a place for a lanyard strap. Micro SD card that they include, which I'm not going to use. You know, the usual cheap, no-name micro SD card. You know, this is a U3 card at least, 128 gigabyte. 128 gigabytes. Nice that they include that. But I don't trust theirs because they usually include cheap stuff. I usually use these. These are fine. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get these, or anything else. You know. When you put it in, how the hell did I get this out of here last time? Let me see. Does it go this way or that way? Okay, that way. The label is facing the back of it like that. It goes in this way. You'll figure it out. Just don't force it in and break anything. Another reason to use your own SD card, let's say the device fails, then you have to, and you have stuff on here, you have to wipe this of your precious memories, and then, you know, someone else gets it and puts it on the internet. You have to wipe this card and then return it, you know. That's if you return the card, but, you know, I don't know. Do whatever you want to do. Yeah, so I got my own card in there. This is your, I always go like this. Looks pretty all right. The clip, quarter 20 mount, rotatable lens. Looks like you got either LEDs on there or infrared. I'm not sure. It looks like LEDs. Okay, so let's turn it on and find out what the heck these buttons do. Okay, so please format SD card. Wonderful. Okay, so I have to format it. So you hit, this is nice. I like this. This is really cool. See, I like this. See, this is every freaking camera should be like this. It's like it's intuitive. Everything's right here. You don't have to get there and select. You have to go into different buttons up here. Which one am I pressing? I don't know. Everything's right here. You just select. You see, if you want to go to image rotation, the first one you see, you hit select or you hit OK, and then it toggles between yes and no. See what I mean? That's cool. Then you go down. Then you hit this. Then you can toggle between the different resolutions. This is cool. It's so intuitive. It's easy. You're not sitting there guessing which button does which. And it's really cool. I hope the camera quality is as good as the user interface. You can toggle between this, 1296, 2K, 4K. 4K is probably BS. So I'm just going to leave it at 1296 for now. Sorry, it's raining outside. I'm doing this in my car because, well, I feel like it. Video resolution, 1296. And 2K, I believe, is 1440. So the hell with it. I'll just leave it I'll probably leave it at 1440. Because my computer isn't up to editing 4K footage. Even if it's fake 4K. So I'll just leave it at 2K, which is 1440p. Go down, loop recording. You can choose which one you want there. 10 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. 10, let's leave it at 10. Mute recorder, I don't know what the hell that is. I think it's turn the sound on and off. What would you want the sound off? I don't know. What do we got? Mute record timestamp. I'll just turn that off. Who cares? Delayed video. Recording. Delayed photo shoot. Closed. Screen hibernation. Okay. So that's screen. That's when you want the screen to shut off. 10 minutes, maybe 30 seconds, because I want to not draw attention to the fact that I'm recording. If I'm recording, dropping off a delivery, you know, I want the screen to just shut off. Okay, so automatic shutdown. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 minute. I'm gonna leave it at 3. Volume settings, you can adjust how loud you want it to be. Leave it at 5, it's fine, audible enough. Keypad sound, turn on and off the keypad. Shrink, record video. Language settings, that's gonna be English, I know that. Time settings, misspelled again. It's supposed to be S-E, I don't know. Look at that, misspelling. Anyhow, Wi-Fi on off, you can connect it with Wi-Fi. I'm sure there's an app you could use it with. Wi-Fi information, there's a QR code there. And restore factory, and then you go back down, restore factory settings. Format the SD card. There's your version of software. Shows you right there. It's pretty cool, man. I like this. It's easy to use. This is your, if I didn't go over this before, I apologize. This is the flip the image upside down button, depending on the orientation of the lens. This here, this is the start record button. Please format SD card, video can't be recorded. Okay, formatting. This is pretty cool. I like this one. It's gonna take, how long is this gonna take? Look at the progress bar. All right, it's done. Very good. And this is the, okay, this is the flashlight button. So long press. So this is the flashlight / picture taking button. So long press turns on the light like that. Short press takes a picture. Okay. And this is the on-off button, obviously, and this is nice. I like this. This is simple. It's easy to use. Any idiot could use this. It's not cluttered with buttons on the side. This is what I like this. This is a good user interface, man. This is what I'm talking about. I like this. Simple. This is the speaker. This is some sort of LED indicator light, evidently. Hit OK. It brings up the menu. Very cool. I like this thing. This is easy. Interface is really easy to use, except for, the misspellings. Instead of reset, it says rest. And then settings is spelled with 2 S's in front, but what are you gonna do? Cool little camera. Plastic. Oh yeah, I gotta do the rattle test. We get some rattling here. I wish they would just make these like silicone out, you know what I mean? Like I said, the same crap they make the, or I guess it would cost too much maybe, but the same crap they make the more expensive cameras out of, the buttons, like it's like silicone, but it doesn't bounce. And someone also mentions like tape them so they wouldn't rattle. So that might be an option too, to like some electrical tape or something like that. I don't know. Yeah, so this is a magnetic thing too, so you can attach it. It's magnetic, so you can attach it to your refrigerator or anything if you need to do like surveillance on anyone. I don't know. Do whatever you want with it. User manual. There's some quick specifications in case you're interested. There's some information for you. You could pause the video right there and look at it if you want. Yeah, QR code to scan. All kinds of information here. Let's see if there's anything else. And oh my God, more misspellings. Anyhow, says it supports up to 256 gigabytes, high-speed cards. You could read up on it. I'll include some video. I guess they have rebranded versions of the same one on Amazon. All right, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get it. Here, so here's something I didn't mention in the video. I forgot to mention. When you want to play back your video files, you just make sure it's turned on, and you hit this button over here, the little picture. It's for playback, and you hit that, and you can scroll through the videos that you want, images or photos or whatever you want to review or view that you've recorded. So you can just play back right on the camera, and you can select and then select it again, and then all that kind of stuff. So you get it. You escape it. Images, so images are highlighted. This is the video, so you see a little play icon. So that's the videos, whatever is highlighted, and you scroll down or up to highlight whatever you want to do. See, those are your pictures right there, and you can toggle between the the images and the video. That's what I'm trying to say. You hit it, and then you can view all the different photos that you took and all that kind of crap. So so there you go. For those of you wondering, does it support recording while charging? It does. Turn the power on. I think it might be because the battery's dead. The low battery alarm, or the battery's about to die alarm. It's got some sort of alarm that, it makes this horrendous sound when the battery's about to die or the battery's dead. And there it is. It's not making that sound anymore because the battery's got a little bit of a charge on it now. Think about you could use the camera, you could use the flash with the camera to take pictures or video or whatever you want to do. Pretty cool. So we'll see what the quality of that looks like. It looks pretty good on the screen. We'll see what it looks like when I edit this video. The light off, the LEDs. I just have it on 1440p. Why are you in the middle of the crosswalk? I hope it looks good. I'm not sure if it's real 2K or fake 2K. I'm not sure the processor this thing uses. There you go. Have a good one. Take care. There. You got it. There you go. All right. Have a good night. Thank you. No. Not sure. There we go. Delivered.